In 2004, kahit undergraduate ako, I was able to work in USA and London. Balik AMA ako to get my BSCS degree. Ngayon, graduate na ako. Confident ako that I will get an even better paying job dito o abroad.
AMA ako!
What you wanna do? What you wanna do, girl? What you wanna do? What you wanna do, girl?
AMA Rock! Meeting org, parties, and funding events. Kaya AMA ako!
Kaya, daming extracurricular activities! AMA ako! AMA ako!
AMA gives with 30% discount.
And scholarships for underprivileged but deserving students.
Para sana sa inyong college education, AMA na. Hindi lang kayo matututo, mag-e-enjoy pa kayo. Tulad ng napakaraming estudyante sa iba't ibang campuses nationwide. Tara na!
Kaya for quality education that works,
AMA ako!
enroll na!